Thank you, Peter. New developments tonight. Mobile County now has its first woman death row inmate. A Mobile judge today agreed with a jury's recommendation and sentenced Heather Lavelle Keaton to die by lethal injection. Keaton was convicted of the torture deaths of her two stepchildren, Natalie and Jonathan Chase DeBlaise, 5 years ago. News 5's Jacqueline Quinn was in the courtroom today when the sentence was read.
The sentencing hearing wrapped up an emotional case for the family members of the two young victims.
Just remember their sweet personality and their loving nature.
Two little angels. That's how we want to remember them.
Prosecutors say Natalie and Jonathan DeBlaise had their lives cut short because they were murdered by their parents. And today, Judge Roderick Stout ruled that Heather Keaton will join her common-law husband on death row.
She is a horrific person who could do these unimaginable things to children. I mean, duct tape, broomsticks, locked in suitcases and in closets, in the dark, alone, afraid, tortured, starved, poisoned, dehydrated.
Earlier this year, a jury found Heather Keaton guilty of capital murder and manslaughter in the deaths of the two children.
It was a horrific act, and they deserve the death penalty.
Judge Stout went over 25 pages of facts before he read his decision. Part of those details described how Keaton had tortured and killed the two kids over several months. It also mentioned Keaton poisoned the kids with antifreeze, to the point where, in her words, they threw up black stuff. Keaton and DeBlaise later dumped their bodies after they died near Van Cleve, Mississippi and Citronelle, Alabama.
Can't deal with that right now.
At a point, it was too much for Corinne DeBlaise. The children's birth mother left the room crying. She came back as the judge read his sentence. Keaton sat still, talking with her lawyer only a couple of times.
There is no winner in this. There's no winner at all. My brother and his wife lost their grandchildren, their son. She lost her life. She won't be able to raise her child. There is no winners.
In Mobile, Jacqueline Quinn, News 5.